Looking for a tablet that delivers an impressive blend of performance, style, and affordability? Look no further than the Teclast M50 Pro. This versatile device is designed to take your entertainment, productivity, and connectivity to the next level. The Teclast M50 Pro boasts a sophisticated and minimalist design. Its slim aqua-colored body and lightweight construction make it incredibly portable and easy to handle. The real star of the show is the 10.1-inch IPS display. With its vibrant colors, crisp 1920 by 1200 resolution, and excellent viewing angles, it's the perfect canvas for everything from binge-watching your favorite shows to browsing the web. Under the hood, the M50 Pro packs a punch. It's powered by the Unisoc T616 octa-core processor, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth everyday performance. Whether you're editing photos, tackling light work, or playing casual games, it handles tasks with ease. What's more, with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of expandable storage, you have plenty of space for storing your apps, photos, and videos. The M50 Pro keeps you connected wherever you go. It features both Wi-Fi and 4G LTE capabilities, so you can stay online even when you're out and about. And for those who value their privacy, the M50 Pro offers 2D Face Unlock, providing quick and secure access to your device. The M50 Pro runs on the latest Android 13 operating system. This translates to a smooth, intuitive user experience with all the latest features Android has to offer. And perhaps the best part? The Teclast M50 Pro delivers all this at an incredible price point, offering amazing value for the money. If you're searching for a stylish and capable tablet that won't break the bank, the Teclast M50 Pro is definitely the right choice. Click the link in the description below. It's the perfect companion for entertainment, productivity, and staying connected on the go. Thanks for watching.